Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial about how to best use our 2020 final report and OTOC Toolkit online. The easiest way for you to access the full report and PDF with all of the internal links and all of the bookmarks associated within the PDF is to use Google Chrome as your web browser. Also, make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of Google Chrome so that you can access those bookmarks and links. If you are using a browser other than Google Chrome, you're still able to download the full report, access the PDF on your computer along with the bookmarks and the internal links. Okay, let's get started. First, I want to show you how to simply download the full report to your computer. You'll have access to the PDF on your computer that way. At any time, you can access the bookmarks and the internal links. You will first go to our main page, ourtownourkids.org, and click on the Toolkit menu to the top right, and then you'll see a few quick links over here on the left. If you click on the first link that says full report, you will find the full report downloadable in this first link. Before we move on, I want to show you quickly though that the full table of contents is displayed on this page and will allow you to jump to those places within the report simply by clicking these links, but we'll get to that a little bit later. If you first want to just simply download the full report, click on this link and it'll show you a preview of the report, but it'll also give you the option to download the report to your local desktop or anywhere you choose to save it. To download the file, simply look for, if you're in Chrome, this little menu that will drop down from the top and give you this down arrow button that says download. Click that button and choose where you'd like to save the PDF file on your computer. Quickly, I will show you what it looks like to download the full report in Safari. Again, if you'll click on the full report link, it will bring up a preview, a PDF preview of the report here. In Safari, you usually have to hover towards the bottom middle of your screen to get this menu to pop up, and you'll just simply click the icon on the far right with the downward arrow. This usually will begin your download. Automatically on Macs, it generally goes to your downloads folder. A quick reminder about how to access the bookmarks in the PDF will be on the left over here. It's this little, well, it looks like a bookmark icon, and this should pop up the table of contents and quick links for you to browse within the PDF. All you do is simply click those links and it'll take you to that place in the report. Use this sidebar to navigate within the PDF. You will also notice that within our report, there are various blue links for you to use. The lighter blue links, like this one right here, is a link to an external site. If you click on that link, it should take you directly to the particular link on the internet. If you see a darker blue link, like this one, it says about the contributors. If you click on that link, it will take you to that place within the PDF report. So let's try. And there we go. It takes us right to the About the Contributors section. Now to get back to where you were, again, simply use the bookmarks over here on the left to navigate within the report. Now, if you would simply like to access the report online, including the bookmarks, again, using Google Chrome is going to be your best bet, but the way to access it without downloading the full report is to again click on this first link here, and you will access those same bookmarks that I just showed you in Acrobat or Adobe right here on this web page. Again, Google Chrome is best for this. You can expand the bookmarks to see more, so make sure you're clicking on these little arrows to see the full content of the table of contents. You can simply click on one of these bookmarks and it will take you to that place in the report. You'll also notice that we do use internal and external links within the report, and I'll show you an example of that right here in Chapter 1 on page 3. Let's take a closer look. The lighter blue text here indicates a link to an external source. For this instance, it takes you directly to our OTalk website. The darker blue links will take you to a spot within our report. For example, here, this is going to take you to the beginning of the library within the report. To get back to where you were or another place in the report, again, simply click on the bookmark icon over here on the right and navigate using this side bookmark tool. Lastly, I'd like to quickly show you how you can also use this table of contents on this first page here, just as you would the bookmarks in your downloaded PDF or in the online version. These act just as the bookmarks do in the online version of the report and in the PDF version of the report. This is just one more way for you to navigate within the report and go to a particular section with ease. For example, say I wanted to go to the first section of chapter 6. You can simply click on that section and it'll take you directly to that report, that place in the report online. You can simply use your back button to get back to this page and navigate from there. You can also use a few shortcuts that we've selected to put on the left here. If you click on the executive summary link, it should take you directly to that place within the report. The OTalk library is also laid out here for you so that you can quickly see all of the tools available in the report and the links to either the tool online, for example, one of our YouTube videos, or a link to the actual report. You can also click on the online only tools, and this is where all of these tools are available to you. We hope that this short tutorial was helpful to you, and we now invite you to take a look at the 2020 Final Report and OTalk Toolkit. We welcome you to the OTalk family of participants, users, and others interested in improving outcomes for all of our kids.